And welcome. So here we're going to talk about OfferUp.com. So we all know that OfferUp is what's called platform made for those within the shores of United States. And if you're going to access it outside the United States, then you need a VPN. So a free VPN would work. So if you're using any, depend on the kind of device you're using, you can go to your Play Store and get what is it called, any VPN, at least United States VPN. You understand? You can use a Thunder VPN or any United States VPN. So after getting your VPN and connect, then you need to go to your browser. So for me, this is the VPN I prefer using anyway. Windscribe VPN, so you understand. So let me mount it. Let me turn it on, brother. Okay, now we're connected. So once you're connected, just go to your browser. It doesn't matter what browser you're using. I prefer Chrome than any other browser. Then here in your search bar, you type in OfferUp.com. OfferUp.com. So after you sign in, the next thing is after you on the website, all you need to do now is to get yourself signed up. You know, you are a new user on the platform, so you need to what is it called? You're a new user, so you need to sign up. You click on these three lines here. I'm already signed in. Let me log out so I can show you properly what you should do, so you don't worry too much. And now you click on it. So once you click on it here, sign up. They click on continue with Facebook. Remember, continue with Facebook. Then need to sign in. So for me, I'm already signed. I already have an account, so I don't need that. Just click on login. Then I'll log in with Facebook as well. Login. So I'm continuing with Facebook. So you wait for it to load up. Wait. Just give it some time. Depends on the network again. It depends on your network. So for the kind of network you're using. So you're in. Once you're in, one thing I'd advise you is come here. Let me show you something. It's here, and here is your profile picture, and here is your name. Here would be showing your exact profile picture on your Facebook, and here we show your exact name on our Facebook. And it's kind of risky. Number one, your image will be showing you as a black person. It is not proper. They will report you, and your web account will be flagged and blocked. You understand? So the name as well, you need to change it to something simple. You understand? So to help you gaining what you call better offer and avoid a flagging off, you can just change your image, your profile picture to something that inanimate and cool like that. So to do that, you come here after signing up, come to account here, my account, and click on settings. Click on settings. Here you can change your profile pics. Here your name, mail, and every other thing. So after doing that, the next thing now is to go and search for offers you want. Click on this O icon here. That's the icon for the OfferUp. So once you're here, so the next thing now is to come here, click on the search bar where this OfferUp here is. So you see this nearby, you can always use it. Just click on it. If you have a trusted agent, you understand, the agent you want to use, for example, their location is where you should put here, so that they will show you offer within the agent location. You understand? So because it's all the matters, because it's going to affect your fuel money rather, and you should understand what I mean by fuel money when once you go through the ebook provided to you. So but for me, I'm not going to change this. I'm not changing this. So here now, I am not changing this. For some reason, that's known to me, but you should change it. I'm telling you, you should change it to the location of your, what is it called, your agent. So here now, I am Let me search for 11 Pro Max, since it's something people love using these days. So once the search what is it called is out, you see this one $500, so don't be scared by that. You can always negotiate, but remember to negotiate within a reasonable price to avoid report and blockage of your account at the same time. So, and you can see here free, this one $65 for XX, and you see this free now. There are terms and conditions to it, you understand. You need to go and read the terms and conditions, the description to this are free, and anyone you're getting, make sure you read the description and terms and conditions, you understand. Ask them a couple of questions. The set of questions have been listed in the ebook, and negotiate with them if you need a discount, but remember to negotiate within a reasonable rate, you understand. So that being said, here again, what else? Okay, the next thing again is this. The next thing after negotiating is, okay, let me click on one here. Let me use this free for example, before we go off this. You see it's zero. I know most of us will like a free thing, but come here, come and read what this man is saying. I'm giving out my old iPhone XS to anyone that really needs it but can't afford it, because I just got a new iPhone 11 Pro. Just to give a reason, you see, just give me a reason why you need the phone and I will give it to you. So that means you have to convince this man now. You need to convince him that this is the reason you need this phone. So if the person is convinced, they will tell you to come and take it. Then you can ask for their details and call. So you send it to your agent to go and pick up the phone. But if they're not convinced, that's all. It's not your luck. So that's for this. Come here. Let's click on this $65 here for this XX as well. Come down here. You see, I'm giving it out. That really I can't afford it because I just got a new one. Just giving me this. You see, same thing here. Same thing is saying. You understand? So, but one thing I want to tell you again: to set your budget, you can always set your limits. You understand? Click on this filter. Usually this might be here. So click on pickup plus shipping and drag this pickup distance to max. Main here. You can set it as $50. Let's say the minimum you can spend is $50. Then you come and set your maximum as well. Set your max. Let's say my maximum budget is $200. So you understand, there's a reason for this, so that they won't show you offer with more than that. You understand? To save your time in searching and go click on done. Then you can see 100 the free are gone because you have inputted a $50 minimum, and you see everything here are within the range of $200. So you see this 160 180, what is it called for this? Click on this first. $184 for iPhone X. Click on this. Let it open. All I want to show you is what this person is saying now. These ones are saying the same thing, or there are a couple of other ones that will just tell you to come and okay, just want to sell it out for cheap. I want to sell it out cheap for someone that can't afford it. I just got a new one. So you see, this person didn't tell you that you have to tell them a reason why you need it. So they are just willing to sell it out at a cheap rate, you understand? So it's as easy as this. Then if you want a little bit discount, you can click on make offer and make them an offer. Make sure your offer is reasonable. So, and if they agree, if they didn't, once you come to conclusion anyway, ask them a couple of questions, you understand? Ask them question, how we are the nearest cafe, so that you get the address, and a couple of other questions that have been listed in the ebook that you need to give to your agents, their phone number and every other thing as well. You understand? So ask them those things and get it down, then get their details to your agent, so your agent can go and pick them up for you. One other thing I'd like to show you is that you can search for any other device, not just iPhone. You can search, let me say Samsung. let me say Samsung. Wipe this off. Okay. No. Come back. Samsung. Let's say Samsung Galaxy. Okay. So you can see that you can come and get a couple of other devices. You understand? Laptops and every other thing, and they will be within the range limits you've set for yourself. You understand? So don't forget, you can always get a couple of devices here, and that's all. Get what you need. Get the details to your agent, and they would go and get it for you and ship it down to you. Thank you, and see you on the other side.